Today I'm going to show you how to use the section editor, and let's get right into it. Before that though, please like, subscribe, and follow the channel. I appreciate it. And let's do this. So, the benefit of the section editor is you're able to make sections. So, let me show, this is how the section editor looks, but before that, if we come to the bottom right corner, you can see it says cross section manager. That's what it's called. So we click that, and then here it says cross section editor. So what is it called? Who knows? Not consistent. But so then if we, the way this works is if we select a couple surfaces here and then click here, it cut an X section. If I hit Y, it does Y section. Let me turn the X off, and Z does the same thing. So now we're able to see what kind of section we have through there, which is great. Also, if we want to, let's say, check the quality of our surface, we can click the button right here. So you can see it has a curvature comb. Double click into the tool. Here, I can actually raise the curve scale. So that might be too much. So raise it up. Raise the curvature samples, right? And then also, so now we can take a look at our surface. So it's coming in pretty consistent. Then you can see here, like, I got lead in going in both ways. So we're able to analyze the surface very nicely here. Also, if you see here where it says step, you can change this. If let's say 300, it adds less here. Let's say I do 50 though, it adds a ton. So that's pretty cool. Now I'll close that. To clear all of this, you just hit the clear button right here. So clear. So that's nice. Now, let's say you wanted to check two different surfaces and see how they're different. So right here I have this model. I can click and drag over both and do the same thing. I'm going to turn off that curvature box there. I'm going to hit this one, the Y section. Well, let's try X this time. Yeah, so I'll click off on the Y, turn X on, and as if you look up at the layer bar, you can see one of them is red, the other one I made black. So, and it cuts the sections in the same spot. So now we're able to analyze, see what the difference is, like in the body sides, maybe the belt line where they land, where does the glass land? You can see a lot different. So this is one of the benefits using the cross-section editor, and that's really it, guys. There's a lot more we can cover with this one. Actually, let me show one more trick here. Let's say you actually wanted to create these curves, right? So I'll double click into the where it says 300. Actually, no, go to tools, and it says promote. So I'll hit the little box and then go. I didn't change any settings. I'm going to click and drag over everything. That actually selects the sections. I'll hit go, and then you can see on top it actually made a layer, X sections. I can turn those off now and on. So if I just want to show the sections, boom, great. So that's how it works. Um, Thanks for the support, guys. Like, subscribe, and I'm coming out with a lot more. Peace.